Right guys, the reveal. Now for those of you that are smart, there's the cake. Stick a knife in. That's good. Now not sure what happened, but we got that bit on the rack, but then for you observant ones, we got next to a cake. I don't know what's happened, but obviously it's decided it's going to explode. And close out of that, close out of that, and there's the cake. Let me get rid of these bits. Now if you take the rack, tip it upside down, then just take your to-go container. It's alright, I've got asbestos hands. Yeah, you just pull it apart. You pull it by the corner. Then wait. Oh, you move the camera. Can you see that? Alright, mate. Let's just get rid of that. Kids can eat that later. Or the dogs. Take your knife. Just go around the edge. There we go. We got there in the end. Just get my bread knife. What have I done with that? You see the inside of it? Nice and airy, look. See how it bounces? And that's the inside of it. Alright, let me zoom in on that. So there we go, job done. Right, there you go guys, that was just 100 grams of milk, flour, eggs, sugar, lemon juice. Alright, subscribe, like, comment, visit my blog, I'll post pictures, etc. Have a good one, bye bye now.